If you think a robot lawnmower is only for tiny, perfectly flat yards, you haven't seen this. This is the Segway Navimow. You've got the X430 and the X450, and they were built for much larger properties. The X430 is going to handle up to 1 acre, while the X450 is actually designed for properties up to 1.5 acres. Both of these have all-wheel drive, so they're able to climb slopes up to an 84% grade, and that's a lot steeper than most people would ever want to mow themselves, particularly on a riding lawnmower where you risk tipping it over. Why would you continue to mow your steep ditches when something like this exists? Now, they also use dual cutting discs with a really wide cutting path, so they're actually going to cover ground efficiently while you still get a nice, clean finish look. And since they combine that RTK positioning technology with some AI vision technology, they're going to continue navigating accurately, even in yards with trees and changing terrain. You just set the schedule in the app, you set the pattern that you want and how you want your stripes to look, and you let it keep your property maintained automatically. Now, Segway doesn't put these things on sale very often, but they are running a special right now for just a short time. So if you've been looking for a robot mower that's actually built for larger, more challenging properties, I'm going to put the shopping cart link on this video so you can check out the Segway Navimow.